I'm Anil Kumar discussing with you the test paper of my student. Now, this is a very important application question. I'd like you to pause the video, copy the question, solve it. I've taken this question up because I've seen that students normally do not write answers with exact values and land up with problems, losing marks. This question should be actually done in a different way. Here is kind of a solution for the same. The question which we are discussing is, the depth of the ocean can be modeled by the function d of t equals to 4 plus 2 sine pi by 6t, where d is the depth of water in meters and t is the time in hours if t is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equals to 24. Consider a day when t equals to 0, representing midnight. Determine when the depth of the water is 3 meters. So we have to find all the times when the depth of the water is 3 meters in the duration 0 to 24 hours, correct? So to solve this, what we can do is we can substitute 3 for the depth and solve for t. So that is what we will do. So we get 3 equals to 4 plus 2 sine of pi by 6 t. Now to solve for 3, we can do 3 minus 4 equals to 2 sine of 5 pi by 6t. Then this is minus 1, so we get minus 1. We can divide by 2 now, and we get sine pi by 6t. Now at this stage, it is very important to realize that we do have a special triangle which can help us out, right? If you remember, this special triangle is pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 2. So let me sketch this special triangle also on the side. It always helps, working it like this. Now here we have pi by 3. This is pi by 6, 90. The sides are 1, 2, square root 3, correct? Now let me push this page a little bit. Okay. We are saying cos sine value is negative, so that means we are expecting the solution in quadrant 3 or in quadrant 4, correct? Since we know that all are positive here, sine is positive in quadrant 2, tan in quadrant 3, and cos in quadrant 4. So negative value of sine is expected to be in quadrant 3 or in quadrant 4, right? Where the related acute angle will be such that sine of this angle is minus half, correct? Now, half you get only for pi by 6. That means the acute angle should be pi by 6, right? So that is the acute angle. Now, if this is the acute angle, then what is the principal angle we're talking about? So the principal angle will be pi plus pi by 6 and 2 pi minus pi by 6. Is that okay? This means there are 12 pi by 6 here. So this is 11 pi by 6, okay? And this one is 7 pi by 6. That is fine. Or you can add pi to pi by 6, get 7 pi by 6. The other one you can do 2 pi minus pi by 6. So we say theta could be either pi plus pi by 6, or it could be 2 pi minus pi by 6, right? Pi plus pi by 6 will be 7 pi by 6. Let me write down here. That will be 7 pi by 6, or it could be 11 pi by 6. Is that okay? So in one cycle, these are the two possibilities. We will actually see how many cycles are there also. Now that gives us two possible solutions for the time being. So let me write down both the solutions here now. So we get sine of pi by 6t should be minus half. That means pi by 6t should be equals to either 7 pi by 6 or pi by 6t should be equals to 11 pi by 6, correct? Solving this equation, we get t equals to 7. Solving this equation, we get t equals to 11, right? Now the question is, we need to find time in hours if t is between 0 and 24. So these are the two times when the depth of the ocean will be 3 meters, but we have to write time within 24 hours. Since the time period here is 12, we can also calculate that. Let me show you that part also, right? Time period for this equation is 2 pi by k value. Now, which is 2 pi divided by k value is pi by 6. Right? So pi cancel, we get 12. So it is 12 hours. So it is going to repeat after every 12 hours, right? So these are two possible solutions. The others are plus 12, correct? So our answer should be within 0 to 24, it should be 7 hours, 11 hours, or 7 plus 12, which is 19, or 11 plus 12, which is 23 hours. So that is how you have to solve this question to get full marks, right? I hope you understand and appreciate. Thank you and all the best.